Hey, how's it going? As you know, the Sports Fire app was blocked on the majority of Amazon Firestick devices. However, I found an alternative, or in other words, a way how to fix it and get the working version of a Sports Fire to your Firestick. So follow the guide to see how it can be done. Firstly, you'll need to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to the search bar on your device, open search, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on the downloader, and here's the app, which you need to get to the device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now to set up the downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking that button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and open My Fire TV. Now from here, you'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. So what I have to do is just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open it, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here you just need to locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And now there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Bulgaria right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on the device, open it, and let's head to the downloader now. So open them, and here in a search you'll need to enter a code, which will be 8738823. So again, it's 8738823. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now in a couple of moments the download will start. Usually it takes just a couple of seconds. Then click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. And then don't click on open yet. Instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Firestick, and therefore you will be able to save the necessary space on your device. Then we'll return back to a list of apps on the Fire stick. Let's open it, and there at the bottom you'll find the Sports Fire application now. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.